The night next to the military caserne was very quiet. Hence, we drive well rested further north the next day through really beautiful landscapes. We enjoy the plenty of greenery and the lovely hills. And with this bridge, we are sure that it carries us. It looks pretty robust. Well, that's a really special chapter in Angola, road building. Unbelievable how many roads are currently being built, partially hundreds of miles in a row. In these subsections, you can admire every phase of classical road construction, from simple earthworks over sand and gravel leveling to the first tar layer. We never really figured out on what kind of plans or structure they did base their approach. And all these great new roads are being built by Chinese. Apparently, as we have at least been told, there is a special deal between Angola and China. China is building the streets and Angola is supplying oil to China in return. That's fine so far, but unfortunately, the quality of these Chinese roads is not always outstanding. As we have already noticed in other African countries, these roads usually do not last very long because they are often built very thin. The roads that run alongside the new construction routes are definitely true dirt roads and therefore often quite rough and washed out. On our way to the north, we definitely drove more kilometers on these side roads than on the proper road. In between there are then breaks, like here. Beautiful road, beautiful forest and beautiful landscape. What else one man, woman and Globi want? And then we reach the breadbasket of Angola, cornfields as far as the eye can see, far beyond the horizon. We drive for almost an hour along these fields. Some of these plantations seem to be organized in a farm cooperative. Again and again, there are these mini markets on the street with super fresh vegetables and fruits. It goes on up into the mountains. We absolutely enjoy the short asphalt pieces, but we are also looking forward to the earth roads again. Of course, we give way when the professional drivers thunder down the slopes with a heavy load. Even narrow bridges can hardly irritate us anymore. The downside of these red and muddy earth roads is that the cars are getting always so dirty. Of course, a car wash offers itself here positively. And since it is so nicely steep and the road is beautifully winding itself up and down the hills, Globi can practice again slowly climbing up and down. We think he does that very well already. And virtually Peter does not have to do anything anymore. Just steer a bit here and there. And enjoy the wonderful swings. Of the Pegasus team have it really all, fun without end. The poor camera woman, on the other hand, always has to do everything on foot to capture the fun neatly on film. But division of labor is everything, as is generally known.